everybody, Kristen here from Capsaicin Co, and I have another unboxing video from Spider Farmer for you. It's a tent. I don't have one of these yet, so this is going to be interesting. We're going to unbox it, we're going to put it together, and see how this goes. Everything snapped together really easily. They got these little buttons to hold everything tight. And it seems nice and sturdy, even though it kind of seems wobbly here, but it feels good and sturdy, I promise. It's just because it's on my not good floor. Okay, so inside we have a couple of vents so that you could put some fans, some tubing to let air out, whatever you want to do with it. You can also close them up to be airtight. These, there's a bunch of them, so that's cool. There's 4. There's also some little, what are these pouches? So these come on the outside. There we go, so you can check without even opening if you wanted to do that. 2 of those on both sides. And then the whole thing closes up. So you can keep it whatever temperature and humidity and everything you want. So that's awesome. So now I'm gonna have to figure out, here's those bars I just put in so you can hang your lights. Definitely strong enough to hang your light. Now I gotta figure out what I'm gonna put in it, where it's gonna go. It's all this nice reflective, it's not like a flimsy canvas either. It's a nice, you know, good thick canvas material with this reflective inside to maximize your light.